Good morning, winners. This is Sasha Fearless, here to let you know that you are beautiful and good enough to accomplish anything that you want in life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I do 2 cornrows on a high top. So my client right here, his hair has been previously washed, deep conditioned, and blow dried. So this is where we're at right now. I'm just going to make a part from around the middle of the nose to the back of the head. Okay guys, when you want your parts to look neat and clean, what you can do is use a tail comb with a metal end. The metal on this comb, it's very skinny, so it can give you a nice, precise part. That's what I like to use. I'm pretty sure there are other options out there, but this is just one great option that you can use, add this tool to your toolbox. When you do your cornrows, you can use the Pure Conditioning Shining Gel. This adds a nice shine to the hair and it also gives it a great hold. I'm now going to smooth the product through with that same tail comb that I used to part the hair. Next up, I'm going to spray my Fantasia Icy Holding Spray. The reason I do this is because I know this is going to give the hair an even extra hold. So that's why I spray this holding spray. As I cornrow the hair, I'm adding more of the Pure Gel because I want to smooth the hair in more as I'm cornrowing. This is just to prevent any frizzy pieces from coming out in the cornrow.
But mankind won't be destroyed.
Now, you guys can trust and believe that I will point out my mistakes. And the reason why I do that is because I want you and also myself to learn from them. So, for this video, I was a little bit extra. You see that hairspray that I sprayed earlier? I didn't have to spray that. Normally, what I do is I spray it towards the end. Because as I'm watching the clip right now, I noticed that the hair is sorta kinda white. So the lesson for the day is to save the hairspray until the very end. So now I'm moving on to the next side. I'm doing the same procedure as before. I'm using my pure gel and I'm putting it on the roots. Then you're gonna see some hairspray, but remember you guys, save the hairspray until the very end. I'm pretty much gonna do the same thing that I did on the other side. I'm just gonna smooth the gel through, the pure conditioning gel, and then I'm gonna cornrow the hair. Guys, remember to skip the hairspray, baby. Keep the hairspray until the last minute, until the very end. Because it is necessary, but not at this point in time.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out. Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no one to ride to. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out.
This is where we're at right now. So there's still some fuzzy hairs going on. What I've learned recently is if I use more conditioning gel, apply it like I'm doing right here, that's gonna help to smooth the hair down more. If you're a hairdresser and you do this yourself when you do your cornrows, comment down below and let me know how it works for you.
Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out.
just good at caring too much. I'm just good at caring too much. Is it too much to ask that you be all mine? I never was good at sharing.
Let's kick it off with the hairspray.
Too much.
At this point, he's basically ready to go under the dryer. But before I do that, before I put him under, I just have one more step. I am adding some wrap strips to his hair. Now, some of these wrap strips are gonna go like under his beard and stuff, so but you'll see.
I'm just good at caring too much. I'm just good at caring too much. Is it too much to ask that you be all mine? I never was good at sharing. I'm just good at caring too much.
This is the finished product, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel. I mean, it wouldn't hurt you. Just click that little button over there, right over there. Click that button, subscribe, click the notification bell if you want to see all my videos, because there are more amazing videos to come. I appreciate you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.
Take you there, like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever.